1, 2, 3, hit. Happiness today is pretty much just
right, today we're going to do a waterfall plait and then some nice big bouncy curls. So the first action, we're going to take across the front to do our plait. Starting with small sections, as if we're going to do a French plait. Taking the small sections from underneath and dragging the top sections down. So then the plait creates along the hairline. And now we just fasten with the bobble. Slightly screw it here through. Okay. Then we're going to start doing our curls. Taking quite big random sections. With the irons, we're going to create a nice big bouncy classic curl.
Even when it's bright, we'll keep going. Put my Ray-Bans on till the lights gone. Somebody to the DJ to play my song. Till every problem of mine's gone. I'm just standing here singing loud. That's better than sitting around thinking now.
Okay, so now we've come to the end of the curls. Just curl the end of the plait. I'm just going to pick the end of the plait underneath. Now using some concealer, I'm going to go through the curls. And here we have our waterfall plait with our big bouncy curls.